Look at the money you use every day, the notes in your wallet, the numbers in your bank app. Now ask yourself one simple question. Is this money actually something real? Or is it just a promise everyone agrees to believe? Because once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. A long time ago, money was simple. Gold, silver, coins. Money had value because it was valuable. You didn't need to trust the government. You didn't need to trust a bank. You could hold it, weigh it, and trade it. Back then, money didn't depend on belief. It depended on physics. But there was a problem no one talks about. The world was growing. Trade was expanding. Cities were getting bigger. And gold stayed the same. There wasn't enough metal to keep the system moving. Economies were being slowed down by heavy coins and locked vaults. The world needed more money, but it didn't have more gold. So humans did what humans always do. They invented a shortcut. Banks introduced paper notes. These papers didn't have value on their own. They were just claims, the bank said. This paper represents gold stored safely somewhere else. And people agreed, because carrying paper was easier than carrying metal, faster than counting coins, safer than moving gold. At first, nothing felt different. But then, something quiet happened. Very quiet. Almost invisible. People stopped asking to see the gold. They trusted the paper. They trusted the promise. And once that happened, the gold stopped mattering. That was the day money changed forever. Money stopped being a thing and became an idea, a shared belief, a system of promises. Today, your money doesn't sit in a vault. There is no box with your name on it, no pile of cash waiting for you. Your money is just numbers. Numbers inside computers, moving between systems that agree. Those numbers mean something. Money exists because everyone believes it does. This system is incredibly powerful. It allows businesses to grow, people to borrow, jobs to exist before value is created. Entire countries are built on promises about the future. Without this system, modern life would slow down overnight. But this power comes with a weakness. If belief breaks, everything breaks. Inflation isn't about money printing. It's about trust fading. Financial crashes aren't about numbers. They're about fear spreading. When people stop believing the promise, money stops working. And here's the trade we made. We gave up certainty for speed. We gave up physical value for convenience. And once the world moved forward, there was no easy way back. So modern money isn't backed by gold. It isn't backed by silver. It's backed by trust. Trust in governments. Trust in systems. Trust in each other. And that trust is the most valuable currency on earth. If this story helped you finally understand how money really works, subscribe, because the next story explains something even more uncomfortable.